In question number 31 of this year, a set of numbers so that these numbers are arranged in ascending order. Now, it said if the median is -3, the value of the constant. A very tricky one. Now, you are told that the median is -3. It means you need to count how many terms you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, we know that if the number of terms in statistics, if they are even rather, what you should do should be to add the middle term. So if you look at this is 1, so 1, 1, 2, 2. So we'll take the middle one, -5 plus m, and divide it by 2. When I do this, I'm going to get -3. If the terms are even, you add the two terms that will occur at the middle, and then you divide it by 2. So with this will be -5 plus m equal to -2 times 3, which will be -6. Meaning that m will be equal to -6 plus 5, and m will be equal to -1. So the median will be -1